looks like it is running. Hi everyone, I'm TigerHawk3, and today we are going to check out the Expand editor. Expand is an indie puzzle game. It came out in 2015, and I went through it recently. Did a live stream where I went through the whole thing, and have an edit of the just removing the failed bits so you can have a little condensed walkthrough without a whole bunch of failure. So now we're going to look at the editor that actually ships with the game, and this is what the developers used to create the game. So that's pretty cool. Well, not create the game, to design the levels. So I'm gonna make a new level. About new level and final. No, how about where am I? How about new level in custom /1. Confirm. It crashed. Okay. Let's try that again, I guess. Level final menu, how about custom /1. It crashed again. Okay, that's not good. Let's try one more time. I don't know why that's not working. Main menu, let's go up and up. Temp. Test 1. Aha. Maybe it didn't like me creating a folder. I don't know. So we have test 1 at the top level. Okay, great, fine. Let's add a wall. How about the only instruction on this I've had is the walkthrough video from the developer, where he just kind of goes through a bunch of features that you can do. So I can make a wall. How about a wall as such? Another wall. I don't know why it's shading it like this at the end. Is this for like a snap of some kind? I don't know. Oh, now it's at the selection dealie. I can use this to select multiple objects. I can select this, select that. Okay. Can I delete? Can I copy and paste? No. I can move it around. So that's something. Move it back over here, fine. Whee! Okay, great. And it's, yes, scroll wheel to zoom in and out. Okay, how about, we'll have this move around in some pattern and we have to avoid it to get somewhere. How about that? So this, we add an instant, and this instant, we move this to about here, I guess. Here, there. Let's add an instant where we move it like this. How about? And we move it like this. I honestly have no idea what I'm doing. And like this. About inwards. No, let's take that out and add a new one that's just this moved inwards. Make it shorter too, and then add an instant, and then it moves a bit, and then it goes out. Okay. Actually, let's add one more and put it back where it was. Okay. One time elapsed. Can I do anything with this? Loop after, loop 2, instant time 1, 2, 3. How do I have a time? Instant time. Okay, and it's all 1 second. Okay, great. Can I have multiple select? No. Okay. How about easing to is the type of transition, like we're making a PowerPoint presentation. Look at all the things we've got. Let's start with linear, and then this will be quadratic in, this will be quadratic out, and we're just gonna see them, see what happens. Cubic in, cubic out, cubic in, out. What else have we got? Lots of stuff. Quadratic, cubic, quartic, sine. Let's do quartic in and out. Great. Resume. Neat. Okay. And pause. Let's check loop 2, 1 or 0. Can I do that? Let's go back here. Pause. Resume. Can I? Does it not move anymore? Rerun. There we go. Okay. How about we make this a little higher on instant time? Can I do that? A little slower. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Loop after, loop 2. Oh, it's we're not enumerating each instant here. We are it's the time in seconds. Okay. I'm pretty sure it can handle floats. Most likely, yeah. Let's make that 11. Goes back around. Okay. So let's see what linear quadratic in and out, quadratic in out. Let's see what that happens. So we have linear, quadratic in and out, quadratic in and out. Okay. So quadratic in looks like it starts fast and then slows down. Okay, it looks like the quadratic, quartic, etc. is all just how fast will that happen. So linear, let's make this exponential, circular. Let's make them all, let's try a few of sine with in and out. And these are all describing wave functions. How about more sine in out? And this will be exponential in out. Let's find out what happens. Kind of curious for circular as well. So the difference between the in, out, and in, out is just the direction, basically. What part of that graph we're working with. Exponential. Okay. Rerun. So that starts out slow and accelerates quickly. Exponential in out. All right. So that's sine waves. Okay. So the exponential in out starts out slow and then quickly accelerates, and then in the middle of the transition it starts decelerating at the same rate. So it's slow and then very fast and then slows down again. Okay. Great. It moves around. Cool. Let's add a trigger. Don't remember if the video covered this or not, but it goes like in around here. How about over here-ish? Collidable. I don't know what that means. Don't remember. On enter events, let's add an event. Is there no more than that? Okay. Fmod I think is, what was that, like for the music or something? Save checkpoint, load level, death, modify entity timeline. Interesting. Enable collidable, disable collidable, enable displacement entity. Let's do load level and add. Level name test1. Let's load it ourselves. Entry point at 0. After immediately. Okay. All right. Save level. Load level. Okay then. Oh, it doesn't loop. How disappointment. Load. Just loading the level infinitely. Okay. Okay. Pause. So this will load the level, and then how about another event? Um, um, I don't really know what these do. Death, maybe? No? How about instead, this one will be, take that out. We'll add death. And, oh, I guess I'd have to have another one. I need a checkpoint somewhere. Oh, here we go. Resume. Go here. How about mark as checkpoint? Return to last checkpoint. Very good. How do I make this dealy loop? Loop after 1. Okay. Let's. Oh, I see. Oh, and it's loop to 0. Okay, I don't want that. I want this one not to loop. Don't loop. This one loop after 1. Is it this whole thing? So I want it to loop after number 11, and I want it to loop to 0. Okay. Can we delay? How about a delay of 1? Why isn't it doing anything? Resume. Okay, so that's moving and doing stuff. And then it starts again. Yay! So we have things happening. I'm gonna pause. About this trigger. I want it invisible. Okay. Is selectable. I don't know what that means. Will I no longer be able to select it? Oh goodness. How do I get back to it? That's funny. Did I break it? That's bad. It's kind of funny. How do I interact with it at this point? I don't actually know how to do that. I don't know. So that kills me, basically. And the level doesn't restart again. Let's save and load level. Shove. Whee! Oh, I'm out of the picture. Okay. Will it move again? It will. So I made this a death trigger, so it just kind of reloads the level if I hit that. Boom. So this is our very simple level where the goal is to die And I can't remove that trigger anymore. Oh, how did that happen? Is invisible. Why could I select it then? I don't know. How was I able to select that? How very weird. A little too zoomed out there. Kaboom. That's interesting. Let's give ourselves a bit more space, huh? Interesting. No, excuse me. Okay. How do I actually... How did I select it before? I made it selectable. So why can't I anymore? I don't know. Low level? Aha. Is selectable. Let's turn off invisible, huh? Now I can actually work with it. Fill color. Let's make it, can I change this? Why can't I modify the fill color? No? Okay, that's weird. So this goes across, and then around, and then back in, and then down and out or something. This, is in, around, and then in some more, and then around, and then out, and then around. Okay. In, around, let's move it here. Have to move this, and then that one, okay. How about... Maybe this is good for now. Let's see what happens. Save and load it. Resume. Oh, I can't get there. Oh my goodness. Now I can. Yay! And it reloads the level basically because I died. Oh no. I'm being pushed in some way. Whee! Okay. Cool. I'm mostly just learning how to click stuff. So maybe I'll think of things between now and the next time I work with this, and try to actually design something more interesting. Yeah. I think that will be the stream for today. So, thank you for joining me, and I will see you next time. Have a good one.